The University of Santiago de Chile extends its warmest welcome to the opening ceremony of the International GNSS Service Workshop, IGS Workshop Chile 2026, Chile epicenter of GNSS orbits driving global geodesy. This event, co-organized by the Department of Geospatial and Environmental Engineering of the Faculty of Engineering at our university, the USACH Geodetic Processing and Analysis Center, the Military Geographic Institute of Chile, Instituto Geográfico Militar. This ceremony is presided by Vice Rector of the University of Santiago de Chile, Dr. Carlos Llévenes Ortega, alongside the Chair of Organizing Committee for this event, Dr. José Antonio Tarrio. We would like to extend our special welcome to our distinguished guests, the Director of the Department of Geospatial and Environmental Engineering, Dr. Marcelo Carvalhotti Silva, the Director of Military Geographic Institute, Colonel Pedro Castillo Figuereo, the President of Military Geographic Institute of Uruguay, Colonel Gustavo Cauberre, the Chair of the International GNSS Service, Mr. Rolf Dutch. We extend our highest regards to all national and international speakers, government officials, university authorities, and the representatives of the Armed Forces, Air Force, and Navy of Chile who honor us with their presence today. Likewise, we would like to offer a warm welcome to all our visiting countries for this international workshop. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome them with a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, to deliver the opening remarks for this event, please welcome the Vice Rector of the University, Dr. Carlos Llévenes Ortega.